Here, friends, today we're going to draw Diglett.
Diglett is what?
The Diggly Pokemon.
The Diggly Pokemon. He digs underground. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got a marker, some paper, and something to
color with.
Color with. Yeah, you ready to start?
Yeah.
You like Pokemon, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's first draw Diglett's nose or his mouth, or I'm not sure what it is. We're going to draw an oval shape like this.
It looks like his nose.
Yeah, it's kind of his nose, but I think it's his mouth.
He doesn't have a mouth.
Yeah, I know. He's one of my favorite Pokemon. We're going to draw a little oval. Yeah, now we're going to draw his eyes. And we're going to draw more ovals. We're going to draw really tall ovals. And we're going to draw them right. Look at this. It's lined up with the edge of the mouth nose thing. And then we're going to draw another one over here. And we want them to be the same height. Yeah, there you go. And then one over there on the other side of his nose mouth thing. Yeah, good. Oh, I love your eyes, man. How old are you?
7.
7. Yeah, you're doing a great job, Austin. Okay, now at the very top, let's draw a little circle at the very top of each eye. This is for the highlight. So his eyes look shiny. Now we're going to color the bottom of his eyes, but leave the top white. Next, we're going to draw his body, and it's a big upside down U. So we're going to start over here on this side, and we're going to draw a big U that comes up over his head, and then back down, or over his eyes, and then back down on the other side. I love Diglett so much. Go up over his eyes, and then back around. Yeah. Oh, he looks awesome. Okay, now down here at the bottom, he's coming out of the ground, so we're going to draw rocks. And you could just draw, let's draw a big rock right here on that side. And let's actually draw another big rock over here on this side too. And you don't have to draw them exactly the same because they're rocks. We're just going to make sure we try to draw them the same size. So now let's draw a small rock next to this one. And we could draw a small one over here on this side. I'm going to draw 2. Look at that. And I drew them fast. It's okay. You don't have to draw them fast. Oh, I like the shape of that one. And then let's draw another one right above it. Yeah, there you go. And then let's draw it. Let's draw a big rock. 2 big rocks right next to each other to complete it. Yeah. Oh, that looks so awesome. And then over here, I'm going to draw maybe a small rock and a medium-sized rock. And over here, I'm going to draw another rock too. I love your rocks that you drew. Awesome. Now, right here, we're going to connect each of these rocks with a line. So just go around and you can connect them down at the bottom. And then I'm going to also connect them over here on the top, along the top of each of the rocks. All right, Austin, we could leave them just like this, but the new version of Diglett has hair coming out of the top, right?
3 hairs.
3 little hairs. We're going to draw a little curve that comes out like this, and then we're going to draw another curve that comes out the top like that.
He finally grew some hair.
He finally grew some hair. 1, and then 1 right next to it. Oh, yes, I like that, Austin. And we're going to draw another one coming out like this. Good job. Okay, now let's make them look a little thicker. We're going to start right here on this side, and we're going to draw a curve. Watch this. It's going to curve in like that. And you can curve this one all the way in and connect it to his head. I'm going to come back up and connect to the other hair. Oh, I like it. And then you can do another one. Come down. And then one last one. We're going to draw a curve, comes around, and then connects into the other ones. We did it, Austin. We finished our Digletts. Yours is my favorite. You could be super proud of your drawing. Except he's going to look so much better once we do what?
Color it.
Color it. Yeah, we need to color him. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Austin, great job on Diglett, man. You could be super proud of how he turned out. He looks so much better colored in, don't you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that little face, man. I could just squish his little cheeks.
Whee.
Squish. Now, even though our drawings look different, they still both look amazing. And that's okay because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yes, to have fun and to practice. We hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with us, right?
Yeah.
We hope they had fun.
Yeah.
Tell them they're awesome.
You're awesome.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.